Good morning, children. I am Saligram Misra, teacher, Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. This video is of class 5 math exercise 13.4. So before doing the exercise 13.4, you have to learn some important thing. First of all, you will learn types of lines. There are 4 types of lines are given here. First one is coplanar lines. What is coplanar lines? The lines which lie in the same plane are called coplanar lines. Like in this figure, this is a plane. In this two lines are light, AB and CD. So in this figure, AB and CD are coplanar lines because both the lines are in the same plane. Okay. Now intersecting lines. Here you see PQ and RS are intersecting line. What are intersecting lines? The lines which cross each other. The lines which cross each other are called intersecting line. Here you see that in this figure PQ and RS. PQ and RS cross each other at O. So PQ and RS are intersecting line. So, two lines can intersect at one and only one point. Now you can see here, two lines PQ and RS intersect each other, but one and only one place. So, no any line can intersect each other at two places. So, any two line can intersect at one place only. Now, parallel lines. When two lines intersect, perpendicular lines. What is perpendicular lines? When two lines intersect and make an angle of 90 degree, we say that the given lines are perpendicular to each other. Here you see this example. There are two lines GH and EF intersect at 90 degree. So you can say that EF perpendicular to GH. So EF is perpendicular to GH and the symbol of perpendicular is this. So you can write this as EF and this is perpendicular to sine and then GH. Okay. So here in this figure GH perpendicular to EF or EF perpendicular to GH. So if two lines intersect to each other at 90 degree, then the two lines are called perpendicular to each other. Now parallel lines. What are parallel lines? The lines which lie in the same plane and do not intersect are known as parallel lines. Like this figure you see AB and PQ. Here AB is parallel to PQ and it is represented as, this is the parallel line signs, AB parallel to PQ. Here AB is written by mistake. So AB parallel to PQ. And what are the distance between the two parallel lines? So the distance between two parallel lines always remain constant. It means distance will not change. Anywhere you can measure, the distance will be the same. Now you will answer some questions of exercise 13.4 related to lines. Fill in the blanks. 1A. The distance between the parallel lines is always constant. Means the distance between parallel lines cannot change anywhere, will not change anywhere. Now B, two parallel lines never when produced on either side. So two parallel lines never intersect when produced on either side. C, two intersecting lines when make an angle of 90 degree are called perpendicular lines. So two intersecting lines when make an angle of 90 degree are called perpendicular lines. Now, if angle ABX is 90 degree, this implies AB is perpendicular to BX. And E, coplanar lines lie in the same plane. Now, F, two lines can intersect at one and only one point. Okay? So, exercise 13.4 we have completed. And some important points also discussed. Okay, thank you.